There she is, going super fast. And are you having fun?
Yes.
It's raining this morning, but it's all right. Here's the Hudson.
Só quero estar com seu cantar, com seu just la 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 la. Just like this rainstorm, this August day song, I dream of places far beyond.
What's so funny?
You're shooting sneezes. Oh.
She may have lost her mind. We will never know. Our breakfast spot.
Just like this rainstorm, this August day song, I dream of places far beyond. Ouvindo a chuva cair, no pé pingo aqui, fico sozinha, tão distraída.
Alright, we have arrived.
We made it.
Here's our gorgeous campsite, number F2. Welcome to Beaverpond Campground. We made it.
It's raining. We just got here and it's raining.
Oh, we love the rain, so that's okay. So we made it to the campground. 50 miles of riding, mostly trail. About 3,000 feet of climbing, which was pretty tough. 1,000 feet just to get up here to the campground, so that was pretty intense. But we made it, and now we're at our super cool campsite in our super cool tent. And we're here. Good morning. We slept, we survived the night.
Good morning.
And here we are, Beaverpond Campground. It's gorgeous. 6 a.m. Nice fresh air.
Breakfast for champions. Hash browns, hot dogs, and coffee from Doi Saket, Thailand.
Fun.
Glad we have our private beach. We're not over there. Hey. Oh.
lots of hills in Rockland County, New York. We just came up a really tough hill. Here's the downhill, and here's where we're coming from. And there's Rosemary!
Hi, I did it. I didn't puke or cry yet today.
Very good.
But Jonas saved my life, thank God.
What happened?
When I was coming down the hill, I felt like I was gonna lose all bodily functions, and I pulled over here and told Jonas I didn't feel well, and then I sat down on the sidewalk, which is filthy and gross, and I had heat stroke. And Jonas was super smart and looked up what do you do? How do you treat heat stroke? And he went and bought me a bag of ice, and he gave me an ice bath on the sidewalk.
So we've got ice on top, ice around the neck,
ice in everywhere. I was standing in the ice for a little while, and now I can talk and I'm alive.
Be safe out there, kids. It's very hot today. Feels like 99 degrees.
I couldn't even speak. My brain was fuzzy. It was awful. He saved my life.
Here's the heat stroke treatment. You take icy water, you pour it on the patient's head. But it helps. Right?
It helps a lot. A really kind stranger just brought me an ice pop. I don't know what this is called.
Popsicle.
A popsicle. Because he bought a pack of 6 for his family, which is only 5. And so now I'm the 6th person of his family, and I'm very happy.